Industrial palletizing refers to loading and unloading parts, boxes, or other items to or from pallets. Automated palletizing refers to an industrial robotic palletizer performing the application automatically. Robotic palletizing can be seen in many industries, including food processing, manufacturing, and shipping. Various end-of-arm tooling styles allow flexibility of different types of palletization. Bag grippers encompass an item and support it on the bottom, while suction and magnetic grippers typically handle more ridged items and grip them from the top. Robots in the palletizing series are able to handle heavy payloads and have large horizontal and vertical reaches that allow parts to be palletized from varying distances. Each manufacturer has their own dedicated palletizing series, which include Motoman's MPL and EPL series, Fanuc's M410 series, and KUKA's PA series.